Racing just is started. We have My Hope moving up on the outside. Shining Fame. Viva Race down on the inside. Then comes Mr. Victory. TV Magic expecting Caitlin. Then followed over by Sweet Kid. Fumatone while flying Joji is the early trailer, and going along for the first turn we have My Hope by about 3 lengths. Vivere in second, then on the outside third Shining Fame. Mr. Victory is racing in fourth, then followed over by TV Magic. Next on line is Sweet Kid, then followed over by Flying Joji, and on the outside expecting Caitlin, while Pumatone now racing in less. Back to the leader we have My Hope, this time by about 4 lengths. Moving up now on the outside is TV Magic, down on the inside Sweet Kid, in the middle portion Mr. Victory, and on the outside Shining Fame, Vivere, Flying Joji, expecting Caitlin and Pumatone. And as they come to the last 400, we have My Hope by a length and a half. TV Magic in second, Mr. Victory still in third, then followed over by Shining Fame, Sweet Kid, Flying Joji as they swing for home. My Hope by about 2 lengths. Moving up for the outside is TV Magic with about 100 meters up the race. We have My Hope. TV Magic is on the outside. My Hope, TV Magic, and finally it's My Hope, TV Magic, Mr. Victory. Then comes Shining Fame, Flying Joji, and Sweet Kid.
All right.